Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, let's tap on it, and here since we are only this time. Since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings. So let's tap on this icon in the right upper corner, and after that we can find the self timer. Let's tap on it. As you can see, after tapping we will set, I believe, 2 seconds timer, and basically that's all. After tapping on the self timer again, we've got 2 different options, so we can set 2 seconds or 10 seconds. So let me pick 10 seconds, let me tap on it, and as you can see, this icon will change slightly. After getting back to the camera, we can tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can set it also to the 3 seconds delay. And if you want to turn it off completely, you have to get back to this panel and simply tap on it. And since it is not highlighted, it means that the timer is turned off and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.